Hello and welcome to this video. I'm Yas Purple. Let me know in the comment section from where you're watching this. Thank you so much for coming here again. If you're someone who's a new visitor, thank you so much for being here. So let's get started. This is a quick overview about your current situation. So what we see over here in this reading, this is a very important point in your life. Okay, so most of you who are watching this know that you have shown the ultimate faith within yourself, the God that is within you, the divine that is within all of us. So you have shown the ultimate faith to that divine power within yourself. Okay, and also you have shown an ultimate faith on the power of universe, and that's why you have attracted this video towards you. The whole message feels very positive, and there will be a lot of loopholes that you need to know at this point of your life. So this is a timeless reading from wherever or whenever you're watching this, it's applicable. Very strongly, what I'm getting over here, that there is a strong pull of destiny here. You are meant to be successful. Your destiny is at this point where it is pulling you towards your success very strongly. So yes, this is one of the messages that I'm getting for you. In this strong pull of destiny, I definitely see that you're very much focused and determined towards your goal. Thank you so much for the divine guidance and this insight. So the cards that we have over here is the source, the thunderbolt, and the maturity. So definitely, you have taken up a great inspiration right now. Like you have taken up this spiritual path with the ultimate faith. Okay, because you know that it's going to be super rewarding. So your soul perfection has been rewarded over here. You've been guided towards this major event. So what this major event is, so something in your life is totally going to change at this point. Okay, and this is because you have taken up this spiritual transformation and you have been awakened. Your awakening is happening at this moment, and know that whatever is going on is not comfortable for sure. Okay, but surely it is very rewarding, as we can see. The majority card is also over here, so that is the confirmation that uh, the soul guidance that you have taken, your intuition has worked in the right alignment, but there is a temporary disturbance at this current situation. So the more messages I'm getting over here is that you're on the right path. Okay, you have completed a major cycle, so you don't have to stuck. Whatever has happened, everything is going to change. Nothing is going to be same, so there is definitely a new beginning at this point of your lifetime. Okay, one of the major messages that I'm getting over here is that you have done a lot of work. So you need to take some time to relax, to rest, and to do the breathing exercise for yourself. Okay, so that's how you're going to honor yourself. Okay, that's how you can rejuvenate yourself. The more messages that are coming over here is that uh, you need to acknowledge your feelings. Okay, whatever you're feeling, maybe you can't say it to the outer world, to the people and all, but you need to know that there's something inside you, the things that you need to tell yourself. So you need to have a one-on-one conversation with your own self. Okay, so summing up all these things, what's going on, that a lot of transformation is happening, a lot of uncertainty is there, but definitely this is the point when your hard work is going to pay off, and know that nothing remains the same. So just relax, try to relax as much as you can. Take the time to breathe. You also take the time to pay gratitude to the angels for helping you out and discovering all this knowledge and insight about your situation. And definitely, the underlying messages, when you honor your inner beauty, you also honor your uh, you also become more healthier. Okay, so definitely the things that I'm getting over here, that your health is going to also improve if you're catching on some issues. Okay. So, what are the blessings that are coming over here? Definitely, you are going to attract more like minded people. The upgradation that you have done to yourself, the inner work that you have done to yourself. Okay, the manifestation power is very huge. You're very strong at this time. So, one of the messages that I'm getting over here is that you need to utilize this power to visualize your future, how you want it to be. At this point, it's going to be very rewarding. So you will attract the like-minded people. You will might attract the collaboration that you need in your life. You are definitely attracting a lot of people. Also, you're attracting abundance. I'm getting 1111 over here. So definitely there's a lot of new energy, abundance, and you will have good health. Okay, also I'm getting over here one of the situation where uh, everything looks great and wonderful, but one thing is there, that there are certain situations that you won't be able to control, so you will be tied up somewhere. Okay, know that whatever you are getting, take it, make best out of it. If it is out of your control, then let it out of your head. Okay, and do the conscious breathing exercise once again I'm getting it. That will help you to keep flowing through this transformation period. Okay, to totally integrate this energy of this moment. The more messages that I'm getting over here are um so don't this is a like a warning kind of a message. Something which is very important is that don't think of the past. Do not think of the past, whatever happened, whatever the grief, whatever the situations were, what's been gone, just let it be. Okay, take this time. You need to be by yourself and take maximum time to be with you, to let this transformation happen for you in a much smoother way. Okay, and also what how this at this point, like how this energy of yours is going to attract the abundance. So this point, uh, when you're watching this, is very important. So you need to keep yourself isolated. You need to be with yourself. You should be having like a good healthy diet. uh, you can also go for organic diets or light food, organic like vegetable and fruit based um, diet at this moment to help yourself. Okay, and thank you so much for watching this video.